Welcome back to TechNicki speaking. I'm Nicki Sun, and as you can see from the title of this video, I have some pretty exciting news to share with you all. And that is, I've officially been selected to partner with TikTok. I mean, that's pretty exciting to me. It's essentially getting to share daily tech tips, tutorials, and tips about filmmaking and how to level up your video and content creation. It's essentially what I was trying to do here on YouTube, but then break it down into bite-sized 10 to 15 second videos daily. And can we all just take a collective breath here? Because there's just been so much going on in the world. I personally needed to take a step back and reflect on everything going on. Not only are we dealing with the pandemic and how to work remotely and how to feel connected in this world right now, we're also battling, racial injustices. And this channel, TechNicki Speaking, was started last year in response to the lack of women and BIPOC representation in media, tech, and filmmaking. And I realized that what I'm doing right now, I'm hoping that it serves as a resource. I hope it serves as a place where I can continue amplifying more marginalized voices. And I also want to show young people and people who are like me in marginalized communities that they can believe in themselves and see my channel and go, hey, I can do this too. Because representation matters, and I don't think I would be doing any of this if it didn't. So I just want to thank companies like TikTok for essentially saying, I see you, I hear you, I love your voice, I believe in your voice, and we want to support you. And that's the Creative Learning Fund that has been created to basically amplify more voices in little pockets and niches that don't often get heard. So truly, thank you TikTok, the Creative Learning Fund, Andrew Elizabeth, and the team at 5 Talent for even having me on board, and especially a huge shout out to my girl, Mylin Yamamoto, for sharing this opportunity with me. Make sure you go follow her on TikTok on Millennial Tips, as she does provide small business tips and advice. And she's also a nicepreneur, or a nice entrepreneur, and a fellow boss babe. I also just want to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel, followed me on Instagram, Twitter, basically everywhere, and shared my content, provided me opportunities to speak, paved the way, left amazing and kind comments, because not all the time do we get kind comments on YouTube. And especially being a woman within a male-dominated field, a lot of comments continue to be very sexist. And I like to share, if I may, that if you'd like to compliment me in the comment section, commenting about what you learned from a video that I just posted versus what I'm wearing or how I look, is so much more appreciated. And if you do that, I see you too, okay? So just wanted to throw that out there. And I just wanted to thank my Patreon community. Like, are you kidding me? Like, you're monetarily supporting me to create content that I hope will touch lives of young creators and make them feel that, hey, I can do this too. And honestly, talking about paving the way, I just have to give a shout out to iJustine, who has been like my tech role model since forever. And not only did she provide me an opportunity to speak at Vlog University, she's also a patron. And I'm like, what? How many creators do you know that are established, like really show that love? And I'm all about that. And so I hope with that kindness and showing that, paying it forward, I just hope I can also pay it forward as this channel continues to grow, because I truly believe in representation and what it means to have a channel like this to hopefully continue to inspire, educate, and entertain you all about how to level up your next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you like to see more content, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm posting weekly tutorials on this channel. But if you feel like you need to see more of me, that's what TikTok is for. So make sure you go follow me on TikTok, as I will be posting daily tech tips, tutorials, tricks about filmmaking and tech. So thank you again. It means the world to me that you're here, and I'll see you in the next video. And for those of you who want to see me more, I'll see you tomorrow in my next TikTok. Bye.